Ayana, and my husband and I live and travel full-time in our bus, and this is the Bliss Out Bus, so come on in. Excuse the mess. We're in the desert, so things are a little dusty. So we have been in this bus since last April. We bought her like March 28th. We moved in May 15th, so while we were converted it in North Carolina. That took so far about 7 months, and then we just started traveling because we wanted to get out on the road. So we're converting as we travel, so I can show you some things. At the front, we have our entertainment center, and to the right, we have our section that monitors our solar. So we have Go Power Solar. And we have 6 190-watt panels on our roof, and then 8 deep cycle batteries that we've put on the outside of the bus in a compartment that John built. Here we have our dog crate and altar. So in case we are going through like border crossings, she actually spends no time in there. But if we're going to go through a border crossing and they need to come on the bus, then we thought it was nice to have something secure, so we built this. We also built this couch, which has not been upholstered yet, but this will be upholstered in green tufted velvet. Each piece, like a lot of buses, are storage, so all of these lift up. We actually have our breaker box down there. And then this centerpiece can actually slide out, and it fits right here. And this table folds out. We have legs that we attach to it, and it seats 6. So it's 3 on this side, 3 on this side. So we love that, so we can work and eat there. When you come through the bus, we are probably not keeping this countertop. This was something that we put in just because we wanted to get on the road. But we're going to put in butcher block here and then sink our kitchen sink into the space right here. So we built everything ourselves. So all of the shelves are like customized to fit exactly what's inside. So things like the juicer and the Keurig all have special heights. We're using the 2-burner propane, which we love. I actually thought I was going to want a full stove like I did in my condo in Miami. But this has been perfect. So this will eventually be a spice rack. We are putting some things in here. So a pantry that's sliding out will be right here. And there will be a pocket door that pulls out this way, so when you walk in the bus, you don't see the back of the bus. We did a roof raise of 14 inches and a floor raise of 6 inches. So our plumbing runs underneath. And eventually, well actually in the next couple of weeks, because we're going to Joshua Tree to finish building out this part, is this door will be here, and this will all be tiled. So you'll actually walk into the bedroom area this way, and we're sinking a shower into the floor in that 6-inch depth here. So it'll be a shower tub. Should come up to about here. And we're putting a marine hatch in this emergency exit. So it'll bring in a lot of nice natural light. And so you'll walk this way, and you'll come into the bedroom. So we've kept it really dark back here. Oh yeah, that's our like vanity cabinet. We need to put a mirror on this, but we built out our mirror cabinet bathroom thing. For the bedroom, we have our bed on struts, and then all of our clothing underneath. All of the drawers, we have 4 long drawers that pull out, and they go back pretty deep. And then there are space for shoes that run pretty deep, running back that way. Because of that floor gap, you can enter the garage from that back door. And so this opens from the inside and outside, and the garage comes to about here, which is where all of our tools and some camping gear are. We have yet to finish the ceiling, so you see we put up the boards. We have wallpaper actually on that ceiling. And so we're going to do the same on the rest of the ceiling to make 3 separate spaces. So there will be like tropical in the bathroom, and then a big map above the bed. A mini air split is being put in here, and then a television is being put in here. And that. Oh, so we're gonna wall this off. This will be shelves and a hamper. Right now, it's our clothes stuffed into the space. But that will be a hamper. We're looking into that portable washer dryer people have that you can take outside and use the hose. For now, it's coin laundry, which has been fine.
Right.
And yeah, we have a composting toilet that we built. And we're loving it.
Yeah.
And that's it so far.
Thank you. What you've done is beautiful.
Thank you.
And I'm looking forward to seeing it again next year.
Yes, you will.
See what you've done.
You'll see the improvements.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie. And in the coming weeks, there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.